The New Patriotic Party NPP amayukuno won edi atu dwa se ya mamra a won edi bu amayukuno ehun abehia se wo beye nsakraye ewo mu enenti won eye na nsakraye na wo ye no wogina niema ba ko mienu bi a enam so nti afempinu ne aduonu enan abato no won endi nkunim ewo mu na chochorofo paniema amayuku Justin Frempong kodua echrechere eniema ema won entumi endi nkunim.
The New Patriotic Party Metre NPP amanyoko ne nedue won ekohia ya won apao eye won amendment constitution no hontama anonam so ma amanyoko ne mpanifo ne ditafo nyina ekohia mu ewo honomo edodokobo odomu ewo ha na enye asemketo akra wo chese butaya etase adwumade no enina no echi ene se NPP amanyoko ne besanso gyan nanso biobie wonso odosronko ebekosoa atena amanyoko no emanuti na edia na wode atoso ene NPP development in freedom na esanse won power amendment constitution no hontomenti enam so ema wodimunyam for Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe ya wono na wo ye running mate edima Dr. Mahamadu Baumia wa fimpinu ne do na abato no emu no wogina so eto ye copy ni baako eye 50,000 Ghana cedis na enye asamketo akra enunam so ema kanimra shebejafie chiamehine yonimunyam for Michael Kwe ejina so edi ensem sei eto eja.
I want our people to know it's a continuing process and the members are very much aware of this, all led by our able Secretary General, and in due season other notable recommendations regarding Council of Elders and their role with regard to various aspects of the party, and particularly with regard to having the Secretary General have under him.
Nekasa no wachino ena wonimunyam for Justin Frempong kodua ya wono ena we NPP General Secretary and so edi ensem sei eka ho.
Aspired and success achieved. In our political circle as a party, we have been in great height before, and one can say that currently we are at our low moment. But it's part of our body politics. Sometimes it does not necessarily matter how you fall, but the most important thing is when and how you get up. And I can assure you, following our defeat on December 7, 2024, so many decisive, so many witness and necessary decisions have been taken, all in the interest of our party and to bring back us to power, inshallah, 2028.